What's up, YouTube? Mean Green 52 here. What you're looking at is a mirror off of a 2001 Dodge Durango on my 99 Ram. How I installed it, I ordered some tow mirror inner reinforcement plates. Okay, you see the difference in the bolt pattern there. This is the factory bolt pattern for any Ram truck. So pretty much what I did is, on this mirror, in between the door and the actual mirror itself, there's a gasket that seals against the door. I took it off, I put it on the outside, mocked it up to the hole, to where I needed a drill, drilled it out, and then these mirrors come stock with these little nipples. Took those off, went to Ace Hardware, got some all thread in the same thread pattern. I'm gonna cut these for sure, probably around to here. I threaded them into the mirror itself, drilled the plates to the door itself, and then drilled from the outside in to get these holes, and that was pretty much the install. I will be wiring these up. My truck does have the electric function and the heated mirrors. I paid 30 bucks for these at the scrap yard. No, 60 bucks for both. They fold and everything just like factory. They fit perfectly. Even the door gasket, everything looks original. I just wanted to get rid of those ugly ass Dumbo ears and get something that looks more sporty. This is the passenger side. It gives the truck a nice sleek look. They're about the same size lengthwise, but the width is probably 1.5 inches smaller, 2 inches smaller. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Later.